Folks, I have two new guests from Curacao.
Curacao, yes.
Curacao in the house. What's your name, brother? And the Netherlands.
Yeah.
Aki and saltfish he's getting. And she get the Rastaman fried chicken with vegetable. What's your name? Miriam. Miriam from the Netherlands, first time in the house. She trying the Rastaman fried chicken with vegetable. And my brother over here from Curacao having the Aki and saltfish with boiled dumpling. Nice?
Nice.
Yeah? You hear him say it himself, right? And this is how I serve it. You get the pot with the boiled dumpling, you know, and the Aki and saltfish. That's how we do it here in MOSHAS REGGAE Lounge in SOSUA. How's the chicken? How's the food? Okay?
Delicious.
Delicious?
Yes.
Yes. All right, people. So this is how we do it. Okay? It's a slow time of the year, but people still come down. We get trickles of people. Come down on the beach. We cook the food fresh. As you order, we make it. That's how we do it here. We don't cook food on it. It's sit down waiting for you to come around and order. We cook it fresh so you don't get sick. All right? Respect, MOSHAS out. Part 2. We got some beautiful people. Where you guys from?
Florida, LA actually.
Florida, from Los Angeles.
Yeah.
They was just,
We live in Florida.
but they live in Florida. Where in Florida?
Sarasota.
Sarasota. That's up west, west
On
of.
vacation.
You on vacation?
Yeah, in between Tampa and Miami.
Huh?
In between Tampa and Miami.
In between Tampa and Miami. So that's way over there. That's far on the other side, right?
South Florida.
South Florida. So
Yeah.
I used to live in West Palm. So I have a house. I have a house over there.
Okay.
So these beautiful people was passing through. I invited them to sit down. They seem like they got nice vibe. They don't have to buy nothing. They can sit there. They're on vacation. It's not all about money in MOSHAS REGGAE Lounge, okay? If they want, they buy. They don't have to buy nothing. I just want them to enjoy themselves. If I tell them go while they enjoy it, that wouldn't be nice, right?
No.
So that's how we do it.
Thank you.
And what's your name?
Brooke, the food looks really amazing.
Thank you.
Healthy.
Yes. I got vegetarian food too.
Yeah. Nice.
Vegan food. I got all kinds of vegan food, man.
Really nice.
And the jerk chicken is one of the most famous things here. Everybody loves the jerk chicken here.
Yeah.
But it takes an hour to make it. Most people don't have time. And I tell them, if you don't have time to wait, I don't have time to cook. How that? So that's how we do it. And yeah, thank you, brother. And how we doing over here?
Nice.
Delicious.
Delicious, huh? I came back to see how they're doing. He's digging into his ackee and sawfish. And I made, look at that chicken with all the crispy stuff on there. She's really enjoying that.
Yeah, I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
You never have chicken taste like that, right?
No.
No, you see? I'm not putting words in her mouth. I make it with love.